Here are my top worst performing stocks in my now $2.5 million portfolio. Last time I shared with you my top best performing. There are two reasons why I'm sharing this with you. Reason number one is that growth still is possible in your portfolio even if you have losing assets. Look, my portfolio is now $2.5 million. Reason number two is that if you're confident about your assets at the time of purchase, if you have an actual strategy of why you're purchasing them, and especially if you're a value investor who's looking at the big picture, 5 years from now, 10 years from now, 20 years from now. And last but not least, if you're confident about the category of the asset, if you're confident about the management, if you know people need the solution that they provide, you are not going to panic sell. Confidence is the ultimate risk management tool. Now let's get to my top worst performing assets as of today. Number 5 is Zoom. I've lost $7,000 there. Number 4 is ATVI. I've lost $10,000 there and I'm planning to buy more. Number 3 is Baidu. I've lost $12,000 there. Number 2 is Baba, $18,000. 1 is Peloton, negative $26,000. I'm going to have to reevaluate them so I can follow to learn.